Assalamu alaikum viewers. So today we are gonna make ginger chicken karahi. It's from Pakistani cuisine. Here I have 1.5 kg chicken and I just washed it and dipped it into the water. So if you like Pakistani cuisine and like to eat desi food, so stick to this video. Okay, after 10 minutes we will add chicken into a wok. Make sure to strain some water and do not use oil. Okay, place the chicken on the stove and please make sure to wash your hands because it's hygienic. I have 3 small size onions and I just chopped them roughly, a bunch of garlic and some ginger. Now we are going to grind these onions into a blender. We will also add garlic and ginger. Now we have to grind them all. You can add a little bit of water so you can grind this well. We made the onion and garlic paste before. Now we will add this in chicken. So you can see here is a lot of water of chicken. It will cook in its own water. Now we will mix it. We will chop this in cubes. Do not need to cut this very fine, just cut them in small cubes. Add tomatoes into the wok and just mix it. After mixing it, cover it with the lid and let it cook for the 10 minutes and cook it on low to medium flame for 10 minutes. Now we will uncover it and we can see chicken has changed its color into white. Now we will add some masalas. So here it's red chili powder, salt, cumin seeds, actually cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and black pepper. Now we will add red chili powder, salt,
cumin seeds powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder, but we will not add black pepper powder.
We will add this black pepper powder at the end because it's made the color of karahi black if you add it before. And till now I haven't used any oil in the karahi, not even 1 teaspoon. Now we will mix it and make your flame high. Cook on high flame for 7 to 8 minutes until the water gets dry. We will add oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Then we will add some white butter, plain butter. We will cook it for 5 to 7 minutes and continuously stir it with a wooden spoon or any spoon you have. Now we have cream. We will add 150 grams of cream. Now we will add some yogurt. We will add 365 grams yogurt into cream. Try to whip your yogurt always before adding in anything. Now the oil gets separate and now we will add the yogurt and cream in this. Whisk it, then add this after the oil gets separate, not before. And at this stage you can adjust the masala according to your need. We will add black pepper, and some whole spices powder. Now we will mix it. You can see its look now. Now cook it for 3 to 2 minutes. Coriander, ginger, green chilies and knife. And our garnishing is ready. Now we will add it. So make it, like it, eat it, and comment below how is it. So if you like my video, like my channel, subscribe my channel and comment. Allah Hafiz, bye bye, tata. Till next video, see you soon.